Saplast, from the small manufacturing facility, has become an export-oriented company with over 150 employees. We are a Bosnian company established in 1997 with headquarters in Sarajevo, specializing in the production and installation of windows, doors, and hanging facades made of polyvinyl chloride and alu profiles, as well as thermo-insulating glass. With 25 years of experience and over 1,000 successful projects around the world, we're creating long-term and innovative technical solutions in accordance with the requirements and needs of the dynamic environment. Why choose Saplast? Because our work's goal is quality, service, and customer orientation. We ensure a serious and fair approach to business. We operate according to the highest international standards. And because we follow global trends and others follow us. We believe in the idea that a company is good if it has high quality and professional employees with years of constant training and development. Today, our professional team counts over 150 employees. With their knowledge and skills, they contribute to quality product delivery and dedicated, consistent customer support. Saplast, with a manufacturing section in Hadžici on about 12,000 meters squared, is equipped with the most modern equipment. Moreover, the entire production system is connected and controlled by the central computer system. Our PVC section produces A-class quality elements, which provide optimal protection against noise and temperature differences with static stability and long-term sustainability. The PVC section has 3 automatic production lines with a capacity of about 200 units per day. Aluminum elements were cut, processed, and assembled with other components in our aluminum section, which is the second most important part of our production. This section consists of 2 production lines with a capacity of about 50 units per day. Our section for the production of thermal isolating glass follows the most modern production processes and satisfies the highest quality standards. It is proven by the SECAL standard, which provides evidence of product quality on the international market and brings an advantage in product placement. Our thermal isolating glass packages ensure that solar energy is used till the maximum level. We would like to emphasize plastification from the other production sections, which allows us to provide a quick response to complex market requirements, especially when it comes to choosing colors for aluminum surfaces. Taking into account their characteristics and the demands of production, we formed a unit to manage the production process for all special materials, constructions, and elements of non-standard dimensions and shapes. In addition to the production unit, there's also our showroom in Sarajevo, where our clients can get more information and better familiarization with our products. Concept Bau specializes in the purchase of raw materials and components for production needs, while Concept Residence Hotel was established for the accommodation and care for our business associates during business cooperation and meetings. Since 1999, our products have been placed on the international market, and today over 70% of our trading is through the European market. Saplast branches are located in Croatia and France with the aim of successful business in accordance with all the requirements of the European market. Saplast, because we follow global trends, others follow us.